many reasons why rotary screw compressors are in such high demand. They are very reliable, efficient, quiet, and there are different versions of this popular all rounder. And it is important to know which one is right for your industry. So, Santosh and Bhushan, let's discuss now on the chemical industry, where compressed air is used for different applications in specialty chemicals, in paints, yeah, batteries, agrochemicals, etc.
So, can you help us understand what are those points while researching the right technology?
So, it starts with how much is the feed air required, which is nothing but the airflow utilization, and also how much time that compressed air is used throughout the day. The second important parameter to consider is pressure. That means how much is the pressure required for running that application and how much will be the pressure drop throughout that entire compressed air process.
Yeah.
And how can we forget about the quality of the compressed air?
Yeah.
Because for every application, the specific type of compressed air is required, right? So the
Yes.
air quality with different dryers, different technology filters, also it is important to consider while selecting the right compressors and the air treatment product for running that application.
Yeah. Even in the instrument air application, the airflow consumption can be fixed or fluctuating. So, can we use our GA, that is the oil injected fixed speed machines, or a GA VSD compressor, which is a variable speed drive technology?
So, as the name suggests, the GA fixed speed machines run at fixed speed only, irrespective of change in the demand side from the customer. While in multiple demands, wherein there is a change in the air demand, VSD machines actually prove the best solution to meet that particular demand at that moment. In addition to these, typical uses of compressed air in chemical industry include a process air, wherein product is directly in contact with air, in aeration, in material handling, in jet mill application. Also in control valves and cylinders, which is known as instrument air application. And air is used to generate nitrogen gas in blanketing application.
So, do you mean variable speed drive is the best technology in these scenarios?
Of course, it is to save energy, in turn money.
There are various components which are used in these VSD technology compressors actually contributes to energy saving. It first starts with minimal peak starting current. That means very minimal current is required while starting the compressor. Secondly, it is an unload power, means when the compressor is running in unload. Actually, in VSD compressor, it doesn't go into the unload. So we save on that particular unload power, which is somewhere around 30% of the motor power, as a thumb rule, what we consider in industry. The third is nothing but no blow off losses. That means the compressor can start in the pressurized condition. In addition to that, the patented technology components like oil cooled interior permanent magnet motor, the inlet valve, what we call it as a sentinel valve, and importantly, in house developed frequency drive.
That's great. But Santosh, you mentioned saving energy in turn money. Can we quantify this for a better understanding?
Of course, the potential energy saving is based on the demand pattern and the right technology, which can save not only 10 to 15% of energy, but it can lead up to 60% of energy savings.
Wow, that's substantial savings. But can Atlas Copco demonstrate these energy saving opportunities in customers' factory?
Indeed, through our power audit, our sales team is armed with sales tools like iTrack, wherein we just put that instrument in the existing customers' compressors, and that actually logs the input current of the compressor. We then simulate that particular log data through our software. We call it as a architect. We simulate the data with potential savings if customer replaces this existing compressor with VSD compressor, and we can show the potential energy savings and as well carbon footprint reduction possibilities, and customer gets it at no cost. Isn't it interesting?
Even industries today are moving towards science-based targets, which defines the path to reduce emission. This leads to the way to low carbon future. And to start the green journey, VSD compressor is the first step.
Hope you found this information very interesting. To know more on the VSD compressors and free power audit, contact Atlas Copco today.